Hello guys, welcome back to Trading for Beginners, and in this video I'm going to talk about how can you buy crypto into your Bitget wallet. So without any further ado, let's dive right into this exciting video. Now, in order to do that, you just simply have to open your Bitget wallet application, and after opening the application, now just simply go to the market option, and then you will get to select these options between Bitcoin, Ether and BWB. Just simply select any of those which you would like to purchase, and after selecting that, you can easily buy from this section. Otherwise, if you want to get some other, you will get the search button, and you will also get the trending section. You can choose any of the crypto that you would like to buy. You just simply have to select any of those, and after that just simply tap to buy, and then you have to select the amount, and then you can easily pay and buy crypto. This way you can very easily buy crypto into Bitget Wallet. I hope this video was helpful for you. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel to never miss another update. Thank you for watching the video.